Your liver doesn't need lemon water to detox, but it does need something most people aren't giving it. Let's bust the biggest myth about detox diets and what your body actually needs to clean house. In this video, I'm going to reveal what really works when it comes to detoxifying your body. Spoiler alert, it's not a celery cleanse. I'll walk you through what your liver does behind the scenes, why most detox diets fail, and how to support your body the right way. And near the end, I'll share the most powerful natural detox supplement your body already makes, but you could be running low without realizing it. Let's kick this off. Number one, what most people get wrong about detox. Detox isn't something your body does once in a while. It's happening all the time. You don't need to starve, sip vinegar, or spend $60 on pressed juice. Instead, think about this. If your liver is a dishwasher, why would you throw in more dirty dishes without fixing the water line? Number two, the liver's two-phase detox system. Let's break this down simply. Your liver filters blood coming from your gut, processing toxins, hormones, drugs, and even food additives. It uses two key phases to detox. Phase one, the breakdown. This is like taking out the trash. Enzymes, especially the cytochrome P450 family, modify toxins to make them more water soluble. Problem is, this phase can actually create more reactive byproducts if you're not very careful. Phase two, the bind and eliminate phase. Here's where your body wraps those harmful byproducts into protective packaging, using things like glutathione, glycine, and methyl groups to make them safe and ready for elimination through bile, urine, and stool. So essentially, phase one breaks junk down, and phase two packages it up for shipping. Here's a pro tip. If phase one is active but phase two is sluggish due to nutrient deficiency or liver dysfunction, you feel worse. This is what happens when people do a juice cleanse without the right nutrients. More toxins, not less. Number three, what supports these pathways? You don't need a detox kit, you need these. Protein, needed for amino acids like glycine, taurine, and methionine for conjugation in phase two. Sulfur-rich foods, eggs, meat, and cruciferous veggies for glutathione production. B vitamins, especially B6, B12, and folate to support methylation. Magnesium and zinc because they are key to enzyme function. Antioxidants like vitamin C and selenium to neutralize free radicals. Low-carb, high-quality animal-based diets naturally provide most of these without spiking insulin or feeding inflammation. So if you're already part of the low-carb, keto, or carnivore community, you're already on the right track. Now let's pause for a second, because if you find this helpful so far, give that like button a tap. It lets YouTube know you want more myth-busting, root-cause health videos like this. And drop a comment if you've ever tried a detox diet. What was your experience? Number four, what hurts your detox pathways? Now let's talk about what throws a wrench in the system. Things like sugar and refined carbs spike insulin and fuel fatty liver, which chokes your detox capacity. Alcohol monopolizes liver resources. You can't detox if your liver's stuck clearing the Chardonnay. Seed oils and additives burden detox enzymes and cause oxidative stress. And low-protein diets deprive you of critical amino acids your liver needs. It's like trying to clean your house with broken tools and no garbage bags. Number five, functional reset versus a fad cleanse. Now, I'm not totally anti-reset. In my functional medicine training, we learned that sometimes pulling inflammatory foods, giving the gut a break, and gently supporting the liver can help people feel better. But what makes that effective isn't the short-term diet, it's the nutrients that support detox pathways and the decision to make sustainable changes. That's why I recommend something I call a clean slate week. Cut sugar, processed food, alcohol, and up your protein, water, and sleep. No gimmicks, just nutrient-rich simplicity. Here's my bonus tip. A lot of people don't realize that your body makes its own detox supplement. It's called glutathione, and it's your liver's MVP. Made from amino acids, especially cysteine. It neutralizes toxins and free radicals. But here's the catch. Glutathione gets depleted by stress, alcohol, poor diet, and toxins. Want more. So if you want more glutathione, eat nutrient-dense animal protein. Get enough sleep. and skip the sugar. Number 6, my real world experience with patients. As an obesity medicine doctor, I've watched countless patients fall for cleanses only to rebound days later, tired, hungry, and of course disappointed. But the patients who reduce sugar, embrace animal-based whole foods, and commit to consistent habits, their labs improve, their livers regenerate, their inflammation drops. That's sustainable detox. So let's recap. You don't need a detox from life. You need to stop toxifying your body every day. Real food, real nutrients, real results. And if this video resonated with you, hit that subscribe button and share this video with a friend who's been eyeing a $200 juice cleanse. And check out this next video where I reveal the most anti-inflammatory food in the world and why it's probably not in your smoothie. Your body already knows how to heal. Just give it the tools. Remove the junk and stay consistent. Thanks for coming to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.